Yes, Mr. Interim.
Yeah, please, Your Lordship. Lordship, I beg to mention hearing item number 23 is the FX item, but Your Lordship, I have some personal difficulties today. So,
Mr. Joshua,
Yes, Your Lordship.
this Hoketo, who is this Hoketo? I have so many known Hoketos.
Your Lordship is from Yangzidong village
Acha, acha.
and he is due to be appointed as a GB.
Okay, okay.
But after the decision which was taken by the village council, there were some administrative interference also and then some interference from the fellow Sangtam villagers. But as far as judicial orders, Your Lordship. As far as the judicial orders are concerned, it's in my favor, but without challenging that they are raising objection to my appointment, Your Lordship.
Who is raising that objection?
Objection, Your Lordship. Now the private respondents, though the notice is deemed completed because dusty service was also served upon them, but they have refused to enter appearance. It is now the state who is saying that there is a dispute, but there are judicial decisions. But since my learned senior colleague is not ready to argue, I would not like to press further, Your Lordship, for
Your
now.
Lordship, in the present case, it is not a state, it is a petitioner himself.
Petitioner himself. means?
Yeah, yes. Our part is not that.
Why would I object to my own appointment, Your Lordship? But we will have sufficient time for argument when my learned senior colleague is
Yes.
ready.
So, 25th, Tuesday.
25th, okay. Let us see. The prayer made by Mr. M.T. Imsung, the learned additional AG, listed on 25th, 2025.
Well,
Very risky, huh, to take hearing matters with this court. So, but let us try.
Lordship.
Okay,
Oblige, Your Lordship.
okay.
Please, Lordship.
Yes, please.
Lordship, I beg to mention item number 22. Hearing item number. Lordship, due to some unavoidable circumstances, my senior could not be at the moment, so I'll let this matter be fixed on Thursday, that is 20.
My lord, here I have a small say. I'm appearing for private respondent 46, about 21 private respondents. Now, in this writ petition, basically they are challenging the contract appointment, my contract appointment. But now that is no more in existence because subsequently government through cabinet decision, my service had been absorbed. So therefore, this is the absorption order. So therefore, nothing remain in this petition. in fact.
New course of action.
Yes.
Yes.
So therefore, even if this matter is kept pending.
You have a talk with your senior.
Yes, Lord.
You can kindly supply him a copy.
Wait, I keep laugh.
Because if the cabinet has observed the service of the petitioner
Yes,
of the respondents,
correct.
then in that case, you will be having a new cause of action and you will have to challenge that.
Yes, Lord.
So just have a consultation with your senior, okay?
But Lordship, let this matter be fixed on Thursday.
I don't know, but let us see, okay? Let us see.
Thursday was.
Limited to this issue.
Yes, limited to this issue
Yes.
because nothing
Okay.
remain in this case.
On the prayer of Mr. So-and-so,
Abel, I am
Abel IME, the learned counsel for the petitioner, listed again on
Thursday.
on 23, 2024 or 25. Okay, Mr. Veta, you place this on Thursday. Okay,
Much of them.
yes.
Congratulations.
Mr. Zo,
My lord.
you kindly give a copy of the
Sure,
notification.
sure.
Okay, kindly collect a copy of the notification and then have a discussion with your senior.
Sure.
Okay, Lordship.
We'll do
Okay,
that. We'll do that.
and tell your senior that the judge was of the view that a new cause of action has arisen. So that has to be challenged. The notification which will be handed over to you. Okay,
Lordship.
yes, please.
Much of them.
For admission, item number 1.
Your Lordship,
Yes.
here the petitioner is praying for retrospective regularization and he has fulfilled the criteria as laid down in the OM. Presently, his case is before the Finance Department for its concurrence, Your Lordship.
Okay, okay. We give you some time to
Yes,
place
sir.
the up-to-date report.
Yes, Your Lordship.
MS so-and-so AIME, local government advocate submits that the case of the petitioner for regularization in service is under the active consideration of the government. She therefore seeks for 4 weeks' time to place the up-to-date status report. Prayer is allowed, listed accordingly. Okay?
For admission, item number 2.
Lordship,
Yes, Mr.
earlier, the item mentioned in 22, there is an interim passed earlier.
Okay, okay.
Let it-
Hearing 22, the interim order passed earlier shall continue till the next returnable date.
Congratulations.
Yes.
Your Lordship, here,
Yes,
maybe allow some time to find my counter, Your Lordship.
this is item 2,
Please, Your Lordship.
state respondent, okay. MS Livika, the Learned Government Advocate is allowed 3 weeks' time to file affidavit in opposition on behalf of the state respondents. Listed accordingly.
For admission, item number 3.
Your Lordship, state is
Yeah.
set to file affidavits, so kindly grant me 3 weeks time.
Okay, MS AIME, the Learned Government Advocate is allowed 3 weeks' time to file affidavit in opposition. Okay.
For admission, item number 4.
Your Lordship, similar prayer here.
Yes, same prayer, same prayer.
For admission, item number 5.
Yes, how much time?
2 weeks, Lordship.
The state respondent is allowed 3 weeks' time to file the affidavit in opposition. Listed accordingly. Yes,
For admission, item numbers 6 to 10.
Lordship, similar prayer, Lordship.
yes, state respondent is allowed 3 weeks' time to file the affidavit in opposition.
If I may, my lord.
Yes, please.
My lord, they've been seeking time. So if on the next date, maybe lordship, they maybe directed to file the affidavit, Lordship.
2024 case, the state respondent shall make an endeavor to file their affidavit on or before the next date fixed. Okay.
Obliged,
Thank you.
Lordship.
For admission, item number 11.
Yes, Mr. Moore, how much time?
I'm in receipt of the inspector, so
Okay,
2 weeks time, your lordship.
okay. Mr. Moimchin, then a senior government advocate, submits that he has received the instructions and would require 3 weeks' time to file the affidavit in opposition. Prayer is allowed, listed accordingly. Okay.
Obliged.
For admission, item numbers 12 and 13.
Please, Your Lordship.
Yes.
Lordship, I've just received the affidavit in opposition filed by the
Okay.
state, Your Lordship.
Okay.
So if I'm able to read and let it be still on Thursday, my lord.
MS. For filing affidavit in reply.
It might not be necessary if,
Yeah.
but
Okay, let us see.
so,
What is the matter about?
Lordship, this matter relates to non-payment of contractual dues, Your Lordship.
How
Conditions-
much?
Amount,
Amount?
Lordship. Third- Oh, 80 crores, Your Lordship.
80 crores.
No, 80 lakhs, Your Lordship. Can we listen on Thursday, madam?
Madam, any dispute?
Your Lordship, actually, the DHQ is waiting the additional fund. That is the,
Oh, so no dispute.
Yeah, there's no dispute. Completion certificate is already given, Your Lordship.
So you go through, let us see on Thursday,
Yes, Your Lordship.
limited to that question.
Lordship.
On the prayer of MS Esther. Learned counsel for the petitioner, listed again on, what is Thursday?
20, Your Lordship.
25, 23, 2025. Okay.
Much more.
For admission, item number 14.
Lordship,
Yes.
I'm drafting the counter affidavit, so allow me 2 weeks time.
What about respondent number 5?
Lordship.
You file your affidavit?
No, yet, not yet, Lordship.
Mr. Moimchan, the learned senior government advocate, as well as Mr. So-and-so, learned counsel for the respondent number 5, are both allowed 3 weeks' time to file their respective affidavit in opposition, listed accordingly. Okay.
Obliged.
For admission, item number 15.
Yes.
Yes, Your Lordship, if my interim prayer can be.
What is your interim prayer?
My interim prayer is that, in
Who-
respect of the respondent number 5, his name is reflected in serial number 7 of Annex 07, page 27.
Respondent, who is respondent number 7?
Miss-
5. Wakalat Nama file on behalf of respondent number 5. Wakalat Nama has been filed.
Yes, yes, entered appearance.
Who is respondent number 5? The council.
One Mr. Varun,
Yeah.
one Mr. Varun, I believe so.
Varun, yes.
Seems to be absent today. Your Lordship.
What is your interim prayer?
In respect of respondent number 5,
Huh.
the impugn approval may be stayed till the disposal of the case.
What is the impugn approval?
Annex F, page 27.
Annexure F, page 27, let's see. Page 27. Administrative approval for appointment of group D posts, Manlap.
Serial number 7.
Any order passed by this court to consider your case?
Yes, in the previous date.
Let us see which order, by which order?
Your Lordship, if I may place this letter which the court had.
Yeah, I will take that. I will take note of that, but let me see which order.
11-3.
Prayer for interim will be considered on the next returnable date after service of notice on respondent number 5. Okay, let us see what is your instruction. What is this?
This was the question with regards to whether respondent 5 had been issued the appointment order.
Uh-huh.
But still, they have not done that, yes, Your Lordship.
has not been appointed to the post of multitasking staff. You have filed your affidavit?
Not in the
Not yet. Let us see your interim here. Let us see what is it. I mean, impugn approvals and so in respect of. When was this direction issued? For producing this letter? When was the direction issued? For this,
Order dated 17 to
17? 17-1. 17-1. 17-1-2025, Mr. Muslim so-and-so, learned government advocate shall obtain necessary instruction and inform this court on the next day as to whether in pursuant to the administrative approval for the appointment of group so-and-so, the respondent number 5, series so-and-so, has been appointed to the post of MTS against the vacant post. 17-1.
Yes, and thereafter, again, this court issue one more order instruction on 17 to 8 also.
17 to 7. 17 to. MS so-and-so. Learned counsel for the petitioner and Mr. M. Longkumar, a learned government advocate for the state respondents. None appears for the respondent number 5. By filing the present writ petition, the petitioner has challenged the letter number POL dash. What is POL dash? What is this? B or R? POL B dash B. Okay. Slash HG, all capital, slash ESTT dash 25 dash 2 slash 5 slash 24 dated 15/9/2024. issued by the Undersecretary to the Government of Nagaland, Home Department, Police B Branch. Conveying the administrative approval for appointment of the respondent number 5 as MTS Mon, correct? MTS Mon, correct? Stop. An interim prayer was also made, directing the state respondents not to appoint the respondent number 5 in terms of the letter dated 15/9/2024. So by the order dated 17/1/2025, this court had directed the learned government advocate to inform necessary instructions as to whether respondent number 5 has been appointed to the post pursuant to the letter dated 15/9/2024. By the order dated 12/11/2022 passed by this court. It was also ordered that, it was also observed that the interim order, the prayer for interim order will be considered on the next day after service of notice on the respondent number 5. Stop. The respondent number 5 has appeared through the learned counsel by filing the power. Today, when the matter is listed, the learned government advocate has placed the copy of the letter dated 24/2/2025, written by the Director General, Home Guards, Civil Defense and State Disaster Response Force, Nagaland, Kohima, stating therein that the respondent number 5 has till date not been appointed to the post of multitasking staff within brigade MTS. After hearing the learned counsel for the petitioner, as well as the learned government advocate, and on perusal of the letter dated 24/2/2025, This court, taking into consideration that the respondent number 5 has not been appointed to the post of MTS consequent to the later dated 15/9/2024 issued by the government. Directs the state respondents not to appoint the respondent number 5 to the post of MTS Moon by giving effect to the letter dated 15/9/2024 till the next returnable date. Listed after 3 weeks for enabling the state respondent to file the affidavit in opposition. So the copy of the letter dated where is that letter? The copy of the letter dated 24/2/2025 shall be placed on record. Yes.
For admission, item number 16.
Your Lordship, on behalf of people home, we pray for 3 weeks to file affidavit.
Okay. To the state respondents. Who was the petitioner, by the way?
Given the consent of the petitioner,
Okay,
I'm for respondent number 5 and I'm here to file my affidavit.
okay. You are for respondent number 5,
Yes, Lordship.
both the learned government advocate as well as the standing counsel, Joshua,
Yes,
standing
Lordship.
counsel,
No.
as well as the learned counsel for the respondent number 5 are allowed 3 weeks' time to file their respective affidavit in opposition. Listed accordingly.
For admission, item number 17.
Yes. What is this? Non-payment of bills? What is the amount? 2,54,000. I think government is paying you more as legal fees than this amount. 254. If there is no dispute, pay them. If they have work, it is for you to actually ascertain. And if you have work, pay them this small amount, 245, 254. Why are you allowing them to? What instructions, Ms. Livika? You just see whether actually the work has been completed, see. And once actually you are satisfied that the work has been completed, at least the petitioner has worked, so pay him. That's. On the next date fix, MS Livika, the learned government advocate, shall come with proper instructions as to whether the petitioner has undertaken the construction work in question, and if so, as to why.
Lordship, let's have received an instruction stating that, due to non-release of fund, it cannot be,
Although we'll dispose. We'll dispose. We direct you 3 months. Yes, 2,54,000, madam. I think you should also be able to advise the government.
So 3 weeks will be granted, so within that time, Your Lordship, the updated instruction, with that, they can be posted.
No, you have received the instruction. What more?
Because they're written to the government. After we receive instruction from the department.
Let us see that instruction. On the basis of that, we'll dispose this. If it is a big amount, that is something, but so you are not disputing.
No,
You are not disputing. How much? 254, 753.
we have two cases.
Two works for the same petitioner.
It's a two case, Your Lordship. I can. 17 and 18.
This is for these two cases.
No, 291 and 292. Yes, ma'am.
Okay, even if you file your affidavit, you will not change the color of this letter.
So that's why, Your Lordship, since it's from the department side, we are
Okay.
reaching to the government, so at least some status report, Your Lordship. With that, we can close up at least. I want to hear from the government side.
Yes, that is why I'm actually like, ma'am, what did I? Yes, you. As to why the bill in question for the construction has not been released to the petitioner. It is made clear that necessary orders shall be passed on the next returnable deed listed after 3 weeks. We are giving you sufficient time. Come with instruction, okay? Same order with item 18, ma'am, 18? Okay, item 18, same order. Okay, yes.
For admission, item number 19.
Crescencio.
On behalf of my gradually.
Yes.
The advantages. I think that, affidavit is under preparation.
Okay. MS Livika, Learned Council, makes a mention.
Sense of my responding still waited.
Oh,
We are taking steps in the month of December,
December.
now it's March.
Who is private respondent?
Here's the one mystery, if one is the difficult then. Maybe this is appointment by challenging the person challenging the appointment.
He has been appointed.
Yes.
So what to do?
Maybe a lot to.
You take steps once again,
Lordship.
and thereafter we'll pass necessary orders.
If I'm going to take the steps to Dusty to the CMO Lordship.
Dusty through CMO, as well as a registered post, both. Registered post with AD, okay?
Lordship.
CMO were, CMO,
CMO.
CMO one, okay. Mr. Fuseko, the learner counsel for the petitioner, is once again allowed to take steps for service of notice upon the respondent number 4 by registered post with AD. Through the chief medical officer,
Lordship.
chief medical officer,
Monastery.
Mont. Steps for service of notice shall be taken within 7 days,
Lordship.
within 7 days, listed after 3 weeks.
For orders, item number 21.
Yes, what is this? The text
Want me to see the instructions to appear on the respondent below four.
four. Who is four? Moa?
Private respondent, your lordship, the contractor who was awarded the work.
Okay.
Lordship endeavor was to be made to hear the matter today, but since my learned brother, my learned friend, Mr. Moa, has submitted appearance for the responding number four. On the next date, since this is a contractual matter, endeavor may be made to hear the matter on the next date. Unless.
State,
Find some.
Let's say we'd like to find out.
whether Moa,
Post perhaps, civil appeal.
okay, we give you 2 weeks time?
Let them file it within 2 weeks and fix the matter after 3 weeks so that we can hear it. Can also have
Yeah.
a few days.
Okay,
to prepare the lodge.
okay. You are appearing for the first time, Moa?
Yes, Lord.
Okay. Do you find your power?
No, Lord.
Not yet. Mr. Moa Jamir, Lieutenant Counsel, appears on behalf of respondent number four. And seeks for some time to file affidavit in opposition. Stop. The same prayer is made by Mr. M. Longkamar, the Lieutenant Government Advocate. The Lieutenant Government Advocate as well as the Lieutenant Counsel for the respondent number four. Shall file their affidavit on or before fifteen 4. Okay,
Lordship,
2 weeks.
the lordship, that would be 3 weeks, the lordship.
Okay,
If they can file it in the first week of April.
We can all be the second week of April, 7 or 8 of April.
on or before, okay, let us be more liberal, 10/4/2025. And endeavor shall be made to hear and dispose the case on,
15.
no, I think at least on 22.
The lordship, this is to do with road construction work and the prima facie his own court has observed that illegality has been committed. Your lordship, it would not be in the interest of both the parties. The respondent number four is to continue with work at his own risk and cost. Prima facie illegality has been observed by his own court, so.
On 22/4/2025. Yes, I think first time appearing at least, let us be, liberal. Okay.
Otherwise, your lordship.
Yes, next.
Much better.
Over.